verse number 51, chapter 4, Ujjvala Nilamani. This quality is talking about man, anger. So we heard about the boldness of speech and then the boldness of activities or actions. Now we're going to hear about their different types of jealous anger. And there's actually 3 degrees of being jealous, angry because of envy or jealousy. So it starts off with the most excessive form of jealous anger. And jealous anger in Sanskrit is called man. Everyone has been to Varsana, to Man Kutir, one of the 4 heads of Brahma, Char Parvat. One is the Man Parvat and Dan Parvat, and the temple is Man Parvat, Dan Parvat, Vilas Parvat. It's called Gar. Dangar, Mangar, Vilasgar, and then the main Mandir. So these are the 4. Char Parvat, Charmukh, 4 faces of Brahma, became 4 mountains of Varsana to serve Radharani. Her palace and home are situated on one head of Brahma, that's called one Gar. Then there's Vilasgar, Mangar, and Dangar. So in Mangar, there's what we call the Man Mandir on the top, to celebrate Radharani's entering a mood of Man. There are 4 types, there's 4 basic types of meeting Krishna and 4 basic types of separation. Yog and Viyog. Yog and Viyog are also called Sambhog and Vipralamba or Viraha. Sambhog means meeting and enjoying together. Raslila, Kunjalila, Jalkeli, Banbihar, Bhojan, Holi, Julan, all these lilas are Sambhog. Then Viraha or Viyog, Yog means union or joining together, and Viyog means separated. Viyog, no joining. So Viyog or Viraha, Vipralamba means this Purva Rag, before Radha and Krishna meet as young pre-teenagers. They're already in love before they hit their teens. And it's called Purva, prior or beginning love. And then there's Prem Vaichitya, feeling separation even in the direct presence of the Lord, Prem Vaichitya. Then there's Pravas Rag. Pravas Rag is when a lover goes to a faraway place, leaves Nandagram and goes to Kamban, or all the way back somewhere in Madhavan, herding the cows, which is very far from Varsana. That's called Pravas or Durvas. And then if he goes far away to Mathura and Dwarka. So these are 4 types of separation. So Man is one of the types of Viyog or separation. So when we talk about the Pragalpa heroine, or the bold, proud Nayaka, then she exhibits 3 different degrees of jealous anger, or Man. The first example Rupa Goswami Pad gives in Ujjvala Nilamani is Man, which is extremely harsh. Verse 51. Mane yatyanta karkasha. Karkasha means harsh. Harsh man. Atyanta. It's the anta. It's the very end of. There's the harsh. Harsh means very hard and pinching and excessive anger to the last degree. Atyanta karkasha man. And the example comes from Uddhav Sandesh, which is Rupa Goswami's own book.